Are you tired of juggling different tools, trying to follow up with your leads and managing your clients in 10 different places? If you are running a business and you want things to finally feel simple, I have got something perfect for you. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover the best tools and the discounts that can save you both time and money. If that sounds good to you, make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to check the link from the description. I have added all the special Black Friday discounted link for these tools so you can grab them while the sale is active. GoHighLevel gives you everything in one place: your funnels, your CRM, automations, email, SMS, calendar, or your clients. Literally everything you need to run your business smoothly. And the timing couldn't be better because this week only, during the Black Friday week, you can try the entire platform for the half of the usual price. This special promo starts Monday, November 24th and runs all the way through Sunday, November 30, ending right at 11:59 p.m. PST. So don't wait. The deal is ending fast and it's honestly the best chance to test every feature for yourself without paying the full price. So just click my link and grab your 50% off and see how much easier running your business can be when everything is finally in one place. So quick heads up, I'm a high level affiliate, so if you sign up using my link, I may earn a commission, but trust me, the discount is huge. So if you are already using high level and you loving it, this week is also a big opportunity for you. During this Black Friday week, from Monday, November 14th to the Sunday, which is November 30, you can upgrade your plan or switch to the annual and save up to 25% off. And here's my favorite part. You get to try all of the GoHighLevel's newest features for the lowest price they have ever offered. And if you are currently on the unlimited plan, you can even upgrade to Pro and experience even more powerful features, often without paying more than what you are already paying now. That's honestly the smartest upgrade window of entire year. But again, don't wait, the promo ends Sunday night at 11 p.m. PST, and if you have been thinking about upgrading, this is the perfect moment to get the most value out of the platform you already love. And just so you know, I am a high level affiliate, which means if you upgrade or go to the annual through my link, I may earn a commission. So that's it basically. Don't miss the offer. Grab the deal by using the link in the description and like this video and subscribe this channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.